Well, first of all, let me send a shout out to the House of Belle for contacting me about providing some information about mental health and hair care. Such a wonderful topic to talk about, especially today on World Mental Health Day. So let's start with self-expression and identity. First of all, hair is often a significant part of how we define ourselves, right? It reflects our personality and our emotional states. And when we change our hairstyle, it really does symbolize for us personal growth or even a shift in how we feel about ourselves, right? So styling our hair in a way that feels true to us can significantly boost our self-esteem and our confidence. Let's talk about social interactions. The way we present ourselves influences how others perceive us, right? And hair can be a major factor in that presentation. Positive comments on our hairstyle can enhance our self-worth, while negative feedback can lead to feelings of inadequacy or self-doubt, which really does highlight the importance of how we view ourselves and how others view us. And even though we want to say we don't care what people think, that's just not true. Social interactions do matter, and how people respond to us matter, even if we don't want them to matter. Now, let's touch on the cultural significance of hair. In many cultures, hair carries a deep rooted meaning, right? And certain hairstyles can symbolize belonging to a community or cultural identity. And this connection can really foster a sense of belonging and support, which is vital for our mental health. Now, let's move on to routine and self-care. Engaging in hair care can be an essential part of self-care and who we are. It provides a sense of routine and control in our lives, which is why we probably also like to change our hair. We can control that. Taking time to groom ourselves really does serve as a mindful activity. You have to be present during your wash day. You have to pay attention when you're combing out tangles in your hair. You have to pay attention when you are tending to your coils, right? And it helps us to reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation when we engage in self-care, especially on our wash days. It is really truly part of our routine. We also need to consider how mental health conditions can affect hair care, right? So for individuals that may face body image issues, there may be a heightened preoccupation with hair and appearance. Additionally, those conditions that lead to hair loss can also impact us by causing significant emotional distress, and it can impact our self-esteem and overall mental health. So the answer, does mental health and hair care go together? The answer is yes, absolutely. All right.